we got this question. The axis of parabola is along the line y equals to x. Now look at this. Your axis of parabola is along y equal to x. Let's try to draw a diagram, okay? It will be more convenient. So suppose this is x, y equals to x. So this is the axis of parabola. So your parabola will look like this or look like this, okay? And the distance of its vertex. So distance of vertex is root 2, distance of focus is 2 root 2. So your parabola will be this or your parabola will be this, okay? Now if the vertex and focus both lie in the first quadrant, okay, now it is clear that your vertex as well as your focus both lie in the first quadrant, then the equation of parabola, okay? Now look at this. You know that the axis of parabola and directrix are perpendicular to each other. So this should be our directrix, and look at this. This is y equal to x. So it will be y equal to minus x. Both are perpendicular to each other, na? So you can, like, if you are not comfortable with this explanation, what you should do? You should find a line passing through point 0 comma 0 which is perpendicular to the given line. So equation of line passing through a specific point perpendicular to given line, you can use that concept. Now vertex is at distance of root 2 unit. So vertex is this. So you know that suppose vertex is a comma a. So distance, this distance they are talking about. So can I go with distance? So it is root over a minus 0, okay? So a square is a square plus a minus 0, a square is a square. So this thing is equal to root 2. Now can I go with squaring both sides? So it is 2a square is equal to 2. So a square, a is equal to plus minus 1. We are talking about first quadrant. So this thing should be 1 comma 1. Correct? So you got your vertex. Now focus is at 2 comma 2, 2 root 2. So can I go with 2 here? And same concept, okay? So if you'll open this bracket, you will have 2a square is equal to 8, okay? So a will be plus minus 2, so it will become 2 comma 2, okay? So you got your focus. Now you got your directrix. We have to write down equation of parabola. So suppose a point P lying on the curve. So can I go with h comma k? You know that PS means distance of point P from the focus should be equal to PM distance from the directrix, correct? So I'll go with that part. So can I write, like, the line was, directrix was y equal to minus x. So can I write x plus y equals to 0? The point on the curve P I have assumed to be h comma k, and then the focus PS was what? 2 comma 2, है ना? So can I say PS upon PM is equal to 1, because you know that the ratio of distance should be 1. PS and PM should be 1. Can I say that it is PS is equal to PM? Okay, PS is what? So root over h minus 2 whole square plus k minus 2 whole square. PM is what? The distance of point P from the equation of directrix. So it is point satisfaction h plus k upon root over a square plus b square. Okay, let's open this bracket. So we will have h square plus 4 minus 4h plus k square plus 4 minus 4k is equal to h square plus k square plus 2hk upon 2. Okay, let's cross multiply and simplify things. So it is 2h square minus 8h plus 2k square minus 8k, 4 4 8 and then 16 h square plus k square plus 2hk. Let's simplify a little bit more. So we will have this h square this side, so it will become h square. This k square this side, it will become k square. This 2hk this side, so minus 2hk. I'll send everything that side. Okay, so it is 8h plus 8k minus 16. So look at this, h minus k whole square is equal to 8 common, h k and then minus of 2. Now replace h with x, so x, k with y, so x minus y whole square 8 times x plus y minus 2. So this is our equation of required curve. I hope idea is clear.